to talk about communication. Happy April, happy spring. David and I from Culture of Analytics is super excited to have you all here.
You know, what we're kind of doing here broadly is talking about how you actually build a culture that is a data-driven culture. And a lot of that's around communications. And it starts with, how you communicate that will really help you maximize your chance for success.
These are the 5 expressions that we started last time, reflecting upon that everyone says quite a lot. And part of the reason why that you're probably here. Sometimes the more overwhelmed I feel, I like to think about breaking it down. And the patterns I often feel that David and I hear all the time is this: how, when, and where. And so to build on that, we thought we'll break it down into a couple themes that we kept noticing, and we'd love to hear what resonates with you the most. The first one is the tone. How we say it matters more than what we say sometimes. And I'm not talking about tone, just what's verbally said. And, I know some of you are listening. I'm like, well, I've thought about that, but it's all the nuances, what we also say in the text. To build on that, the second thing is then the when, frequency and intention.
You really need to have a cadence, almost like a marketing plan, when you're going to deliver it and how you're going to deliver that message and how frequently you're going to do it.
The who else is involved is very important.
You want to make sure that the right person is delivering your message, and that may change. You may want to recruit different people to deliver the same message to different people.
Which is why number 4 that we all love is feedback. How you take those feedback and how you respond can influence and reaffirm how somebody feels heard or left out. With that, last but not least, 5, it's going to take some planning. Lots of things that's going to be completely unavoidable. But the least we can do with planning is we can prepare for some of the changes and take a more proactive step instead of a reactive step. And
that plan actually goes a long way because people really notice. It's just about having the best chance to succeed.
Thank you very much for making time to be present, reflect. Again, I hope we have accomplished our goal to leave you with more questions, but also tools to reframe. We're going to continue to build on this next month. So again, we're glad that you had a great time thinking, but let's take this thinking to action.